What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the review of this JVC earbuds. So let's get right into the review of this right here. So there are 4 indicators right here. So when these 4 lights turn on or blinking, that means this basically is fully charged. So as you open it, you see that you have 2 earbuds inside, and each of these earbuds have a little button on it right here that you can turn it on. So you can use this to turn it on or off. So it is on this one, and it is also on this one. So as you look closely inside right here, you see 2 little wire right here, and this is basically what holds it in place, and this is basically what charges it. So once you clip on it like this, it basically hold it into place, because there's a little magnet mechanism inside it right here that holds it into place right here. So it won't allow it to fall out from the case. So being the back of the case right here, it have a type A USB port that can charge this right here. So it basically simple. In charging, use your normal USB to basically charge this. So as it regards to this earphone right here, we have 2 which come inside the package, as you guys can see, and this little thing that is on it right here, this is basically some foams. The thing that I find about this earphone is that whenever I put these into my ears, it basically blocks out all the sounds from coming in. And sometimes it may feel uncomfortable. For me personally, it feels uncomfortable sometimes when I use this inside my ears. And because my ears, most of these ear tip cannot hold inside my ears, so most time when I put it into my ears, it may easily fall out from my ears. So that's one of the downfall with these. But in terms of the sound quality, guys, this sound really great. It sounds pretty decent, and it's something that you can rock to by listening to music. They are very loud, right? They have different volumes that you can turn it to, and it's a pretty decent headphone. It's very basically easy to connect. So once you remove them from the case and your Bluetooth device is on, it will automatically picks up and connects right out the case. And you also can turn it off by pressing this icon. As you can see right now, it is basically blinking. That means this right here is basically showing a signal that this is searching for a Bluetooth. Once the Bluetooth is connected, this light right here will stop blinking. So that is basically my experience with this headphone right here. Overall, the sound quality is very great. Other than that, sometimes it can feel uncomfortable for having in my ears for a very long time. So, and sometimes it may easily fell out from your ears if you don't have in the right ear tip. So you have to find which of these ear tip is the right one for you and use it to your advantage. So thank you guys for watching. This is basically my short review of using this headphone right here. Any more update, please subscribe to this channel for more reviews like this. And thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. As always, peace out.